Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Google Meet and joining the specific meeting. Make sure you are signed in and have host or co-host controls. Once in the room, open the People panel so you can see attendees and identify who you need to block. If you do not see controls, make sure you have the latest browser version and that the meeting is not restricted by admin policies. These steps let you act immediately without fumbling through menus. You find the participant in the People list and click their three-dot menu to expose removal options. This is where blocking begins. Once you select Remove, confirm to immediately eject them. If a block option appears, choose it to prevent rejoining. Make sure to explain why first if appropriate, then proceed. Removal is immediate, while block prevents return. If you manage participants via Google Workspace, use the host controls to enforce the block at the domain or meeting level. You finish by confirming the participant is gone from the roster and test that rejoin attempts fail. That verification closes the loop. Once done, tighten meeting safety. Disable quick access, restrict chat and screen sharing, and lock down mic/camera controls so other disruptions are less likely. If the person still returns, make sure to change the meeting link or escalate to your workspace admin to enforce a domain-level block.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.